My name is Jim McLaren. Today is Sunday, October the 6th, 2019. Yesterday, I tried to use the washing machine and it wouldn't come on at all. And it's got to do with this switch here. I'm going to unplug it and show you what I did. Unplugged it from the wall here. And what I did is I just took a screwdriver, held it underneath here, and pushed down the screwdriver, and I could hear it clicking in. So that's not tight in there. It's loose in there and it's come apart. So I've got the power off now, and we're going to take these screws out. And this is the PB Swiss screwdriver. I like these screwdrivers, but they're not magnetized. So I'm going to use my Vera here. This is the magnetized end here, and I won't lose the screws. I'm worried about losing the screws here, going inside the basket here. They're long screws, and what we're going to do is tape this together with a zip tie or tie wrap. Now that cable's going to come down here. Just pull this out here, get working at it here. You can push your basket down here. This will pull out. And you can see here that this is what toggles it down here. But this piece here, right here, I can feel it. When you can see it's part here. So we're going to tie a zip tie around this thing and tighten it up. You can see that. So I'm going to tie a zip tie around here. We don't want to. There's a piece of plate there. Huh. Let me pause the video here. So I can't tie it around here because there's a plate here. See the plate here? And I can't get in between there, but you see it as a part here, right here. So I'm going to tie the tie wrap around here. There. Now, remember this tool? Yeah, I did a review of it. And we're going to tighten it up here using those grips there. There, cut it off at the same time. Now it's on there nice and tight. We'll put it back together here. There we go. Gotta get lined up here. Well, lots of tie wrap, but at least we can get at it. I just use butter on my fingers this morning. I can even feel the difference in the you don't want to over tighten this, just snug it. So fish that piece out of here. Here's the previous screwdriver I used. I used the that Vetter screwdriver. Nice screwdriver. I like the screwdriver. Magnetic end. And the Sonda. These are very nice. Did a review of all these tools. Now we're going to plug it back in and see if it works. I got to move the camera. It's working. So that's all it was this. Got the camera again. This switch, when I felt it here, when I had it unplugged here, I felt it was apart, and you seen it was apart a wee bit, and those contacts weren't touching. And even when the lid was down, those contacts weren't touching. So by using a simple tie clip or a tie wrap, fixed the problem. Now I'm going to buy one of these off Amazon or locally here, just in case it fails again. But we fixed this washing machine today and saved ourselves a lot of money here, taking it all apart. And I think if you're going to take it apart, you have to take these ends off here. There's a screw here, and then fold this back. And then I see people go underneath here to get, there's the clips holding this in here, but I think you take the whole thing off and then just work on it like that. Anyway, it's fixed for today, and we'll buy the part for it. So next time it fails, we'll have the spare part. I'd like to thank all my subscribers, all my new subscribers. Thanks so much for subscribing to my channel. If you've watched this for the first time today, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for listening. Have a great day, people.